try and get my rocks off. Shorty never fucked me with a sauce off. What? Shorty gon' suck it to the lockjaw. What? Your baby mama looking like a knockoff. Oh no, I praise the baby Jesus that I'm not y'all. She pray to me and then she get a top off. I'ma mix the drop with the hot sauce. Hot Wheels opened up a thought box. You pulled up in a damn box. Oh no, I pulled up in a damn hot wrestler. She gon' eat the dick and get dropped off. But she ain't need it all, she need a box though. She sending me these pictures of her titties. Don't even live in the same city. Told her little hoe to come hither. Hit it in a nigga dismiss. You block hot, bitch, I'm trying to get my rocks off. Shorty never fucked me with a sauce off. Shorty gon' suck it to the lockjaw. Your baby mama looking like a knockoff. Oh no, block hot, bitch, I'm trying to get my rocks off. Shorty never fucked me with a sauce off. Shorty gon' suck it to the lockjaw. Your baby mama looking like a knockoff.